Hello, amazing artists! Today we're going to be working on some Halloween Kawaii stickers. What are we going to need? You're going to need a piece of sticker paper. It's like normal paper, but it's made out of sticker. You're also going to need a black marker, any black marker or black pen you have at home, some scissors, and coloring materials. Let's start. I'm gonna start with something that is very Halloween, and that is a pumpkin, actually a jack-o'-lantern. So first I'm drawing the shape of the pumpkin, and then I'm doing those very special kawaii eyes. Do you remember how we made them? It was a big circle and then two little circles inside, which we're gonna leave white, and then we're gonna paint the other part in black. And I'm gonna do this little mouth. I'm so sorry because my hand is all on the way, so I hope you can see well what I'm doing. I'm doing another pumpkin, this time with these two pretty eyes and the little mouth in the middle. Now I'm doing a ghost. I'm doing the shape of the ghost, two eyes, and the mouth that is like the C upside down, right in the middle of those eyes. I'm gonna draw another ghost. This time it's like screaming with two little hands. Now we're gonna draw a skull. The skull is gonna be with the same kawaii eyes we did in the first jack-o'-lantern, with the two little circles inside each big circles and an upside down shaped heart to do the nose. I'm gonna work on another skull, this time with these weird eyes. Now I'm gonna draw a bat. A bat is also very Halloween-y. I'm doing these very cute eyes and also two ears. Let's draw another bat. I'm gonna do actually like two of each with different faces. This time I'm gonna do the typical kawaii eyes and a big smile right on the middle and two little ears. Now let's draw a spider. The spider with 8 legs and two very cute kawaii eyes and a happy mouth. And let's draw another snake. Eight legs and two big eyes and a very cute mouth. Well, since we were drawing spiders, let's draw a spider web. I love drawing spider webs. You made 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, and then you just draw the web inside them with a little spider. What else can we draw for these stickers? Oh, of course, something that is very Halloween, it's a black cat. So I'm gonna draw the face of the cat. I'm gonna draw a star just in the middle, so it's more like magical. I'm gonna draw the legs and now a tail. And we can also draw words like boo or trick or treat. I think that will look very, very cute on my journal. So I'm writing the word boo. And I think I'm also gonna do a sticker that says trick or treat. Let's make like a cloud for this sentence. And of course, if we're talking about trick-or-treating, we should draw some Halloween candy, but in a kawaii style. So I just make the candy and then the two eyes and the mouth. And I think I'm done drawing my stickers. Oh, actually no, let's draw another ghost because I love them. They are so easy to make and so much fun. Okay, I think now I'm done drawing my stickers. So now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna grab a pink marker and I'm just gonna draw the cheeks on each of the stickers I made. You know, the very rosy cheeks are very kawaii. So I'm gonna draw or paint that in each sticker. And then I'm gonna grab whatever coloring materials you have. I'm gonna use color pencils, but you can use crayons, you can use markers, you can even use watercolors if you want. And I'm gonna start coloring each of the stickers.
Perfect.
Once we finish coloring all the stickers, it's gonna be time to cut. What I like to do is I like to grab a pencil or a black pencil color, and I like to draw the outline of where my sticker is supposed to be cut, just like I'm doing here with the jack-o'-lanterns. Maybe the ghost, I can cut them right where the line is at, or I can make the shape of a circle. This is gonna be easier for when we have to cut the silhouette of each sticker. But for me, the very first step is to grab my scissors, and I don't start cutting every single sticker with lots of detail. In the opposite side, what I like to do is that I like to cut each sticker separately in like a big chunk of paper, and once I have them all singled out, I like to go and grab each one and make all the cutting details, just like I'm doing right now. So now I'm cutting the jack-o'-lantern, and see, since I drew that outline, it's gonna be easier for me to cut it. I'm also cutting the bat, and I'm gonna cut all the stickers one by one, very carefully, and following each detail. And now that I have all my stickers colored and cut, it's where the fun starts. It's time to paste those stickers wherever you want. I think the first thing I'm gonna paste my sticker is gonna be on the cover of my iPad. So I'm gonna paste this jack-o'-lantern and this ghost. And let me think, where else can I paste these stickers? I'm thinking maybe in my sketchbook. In the cover of my sketchbook, I'm also gonna paste this little ghost with the boo sign, and also inside I'm gonna paste a skull and this bat that looks very cute. Oh, and I almost forgot, I think I'm gonna grab my agenda, and where we're gonna celebrate Halloween in my school, I'm gonna paste some stickers as well. Yeah, I think that's gonna look amazing. And I think maybe in my cell phone case, that will be a really good place to paste some of the stickers. Well, you can paste them wherever you want. The important thing is that you have fun and enjoy these lessons, and I can wait to see your stickers. See you very soon. Bye!